This is the COD remittance page under the billing section. This page shows all the COD amounts that are going to be remitted to a seller on a particular day. For each COD remittance, a CRF ID is generated. CRF ID stands for COD Remittance File ID. It is a unique ID that contains all the AWBs that are payable and eligible for COD remittance for a seller on that specific day. The generation of the CRF ID depends on the plan that the seller has opted for. For example, if a seller has opted for a D+2 Early COD plan, the remittance is processed on the second day after the AWB is marked as delivered. For early COD plans, remittance happens every day. For instant COD, AWBs become eligible for remittance as soon as they are shipped. When a CRF ID is generated, the UTR is not shown initially. At this stage, the status appears as initiated. Once we receive the UTR from the bank, it is automatically populated on the panel. COD Available represents the total available COD amount for that client. Amount credited to the wallet refers to the amount added to the seller's wallet in the case of a secured postpaid setup. In this flow, a certain amount is first deducted from the seller's wallet, and then the corresponding amount is deducted from the seller's COD and credited back to the wallet. To maintain a positive balance, COD remittance charges. Charges deducted from COD depending on the seller's plan. Invoice adjustment. Invoices paid from COD, RTO reversal. Amount of AWB is getting marked as RTO post remittance. Upcoming COD. Tentative COD amount along with AWB in the upcoming days. We show this so the seller knows what to expect.